Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the reserved application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu button in the upper left corner of the screen, and then you should select a category after watching the video. So tap on this skip video button and then the X button, click on menu in the upper left corner, select the category, the subcategory, so the kind of product that you are looking for, and then you should wait a few seconds till it loads in, and then you will be able to browse among the results. So click on this filters button in the left side at the top, and after that you should again watch the ad, and then you will be able to proceed. Tap on the X button and you can sort by prices. You can set your size as well as the colors that you prefer. Then the price range can be set, as well as the type of product, the pattern, features, and then click on the filter button down below in order to apply filters, and here you will be able to find the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.